The Elitech LMC 100A Plus electronic digital refrigerant charging scale. This unit features high precision, zero power consumption, and durability. It can weigh up to 220 pounds, 100 kilograms, with 5G resolution. It comes with a scale, a user manual, one 9-volt battery, and a portable case. The scale is integrally cast, sturdy, and durable for long-term use. Install the battery, which comes with the package. Power on the scale. It will be ready to weigh after the digits flash from 0 to 9. Press the 0 button to zero the scale before weighing. The handle is backlit to ensure work in dark environments. It supports 2 unit groups, pounds ounces and kilograms grams. Press the power button for 3 seconds to turn off the scale to save battery while not using.